videos, so we have a record of this. I'll attach it onto your invoice. I stream it. I don't use your name or address or anything, but you can see all of our work online. Follow us on Facebook or on YouTube. Swift Plumbers, you'll see all of this stuff. I show what we did in all kinds of situations like this we run into. I don't do this on every job, but I do it on a lot of them. I want to explain how important this one is for a reason. So we came out here and we had a pipe leak right here. Fitting blew apart. Somebody half-assed this, all right? Because we had a pipe on top of the ground. This poor gentleman that I'm working for just bought this home. I said, well, no, that's not how it's supposed to be. To code, we're supposed to be a foot down, okay? Take my mask off so I can actually breathe. Okay, so we're supposed to be a foot below ground right there, and we're not, but I came here on an emergency, and this isn't how I would completely like it, but at least right now, once this dirt gets pushed back, we're below ground. But instead of me just doing that emergency repair right here and leaving it sitting on top of the ground above these roots right here, I decided that a little bit better effort if we could just kind of dig this up, and we did. That's no fittings right there, just 490s and a coupler to kind of bend this around and put this low enough. And he's going to add some dirt on top of this as well, because this should be a foot down, but whoever installed this didn't do it to code. So you can bet none of this throughout here is a foot down. So getting this a foot down really doesn't matter at this point, because that's not going to help. None of it is. But what does matter is try to protect this pipe with the earth so that a mower or anything else doesn't run over it. So not only getting all this dirt that I dug up back on it, but actually putting some additional stuff on top of it, and remembering that the pipe in this yard on this side, if you go to dig anything, is shallow. That's the important thing that I told him, because I certainly don't want to jeopardize the pipe. So we're all done with this emergency. Going to head to the next one.